Hello friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load coupons through the Walgreens app, through the flyer specifically, to your store card. A lot of you get tripped up about this, or once you load them, you don't know how to retrieve the coupons. So I'm going to show you that in this video. It's very easy to do, and even if you're a very experienced couponer, I really encourage you to watch this because sometimes on Sunday morning, it's impossible to load digital coupons. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I am recording this from my phone to, I'm recording this with my phone on my iPad, so I have to do this handheld, so forgive me, it's shaky. So we're in the app, and now we're going to be going to the Shop and Save below the bar to get to your digital coupons folder. So we're just going to show you guys, and sorry, it takes a second to focus, but here in the savings bar, we can see our digital coupons. And just to show you, this is how you would load one, just to show you how to retrieve it. We're going to be looking at the off. I always have like a 2 or 3 second delay every time I try to load coupons. Maybe I have an older iPad. You go to your saved offers folder, and this is the cache of all the coupons, and it's not showing. Where's the coupon? It's not showing. So you got to scroll down a little bit, and then it should pop up right to the top. And there it is. See? Top left-hand corner. Boom. Right near the big coffee stain on my desk. So there it is. Now we're going to go into the weekly ad. So this is this week's, and it's going to pop up the whole flyer. It always takes a second delay. I don't know what the heck's wrong with my iPad. So just to show you, if you look, this is an offer 2 for $21 for those Pampers. And then below it, it says plus 3 off of 2. So that's your digital coupon for that product. You just press it to load it. And it loaded the first time. And as you can see, this is how I load all my coupons on Sunday morning because I can do it really fast. You go to your saved offers, bottom right hand corner, and then you go to the top, and it's not there. Now this is a weird one. For whatever reason, my app, it wasn't popping that one up. It was still showing the bug spray, but halfway below, it was showing because this coupon doesn't expire until sometime in September, and for whatever reason, the chronology for mine was based on dates. You can always change that in the settings of your digital coupons folder. But, you know, if you can go into that folder, you can usually retrieve it. And even if the coupon gets pulled or for whatever stupid reason, you've loaded it and it's not there, there's always a cache on customer services end where they can see what was and was not loaded. And if you did in fact load it and it didn't come off, they can always credit you whatever the value of the coupon is. And they've done that for me before in the past several times. How to remove a coupon, another question. You just press the remove button and then you get that pop-up, and then you just press remove, and then it's gone from your digital coupons folder. Why would you want to remove a coupon? Awesome question. Just say that off coupon, we had a 3 off a 2. It's a lot better than $1 off. So you would just go in and remove it because often the smaller coupon will apply before the larger one, and we're here about the biggest savings. So that's why you would want to remove it. So hopefully that is clear as mud and crystal clear, and you know how to look for coupons and how to remove them. Also, class, we have this, which is a very weird one. A lot of us received it. Make sure you load it. This is online only, and it's buy 4 get $6 of Walgreens cash, and that's online. So I think in store we're going to get a register reward for that one, and sometimes they throw us that curveball. And then a lot of us also got like a 12 back when you spend 60 for next week. Oh no, actually it's for the next 2 weeks. So it's a very rich booster, which I don't really like. I don't like the $60 ones. So before I skedaddle, yesterday I went to $2 Generals, only 2. And I found even more pennies. I made a video showing a bunch of UPCs. I think I found earlier this week about 175 with a surprise penny list and with the regular penny list. There's so many pennies. If you want to get in on this penny shopping, check out the video. And this is stuff I found yesterday. So I would go out and at least try or watch the video to get a feel for it. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.